welcome back to my channel Ragini Prajwal, and today is What's in My Bag. So today in What's in My Bag, this is the first time I'm doing an episode like this. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾಗಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ತನಕ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. It does not matter to me ಈ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಲೇಸಿ ದಟ್ ವೇ. So first things first, I have something very cute. Is the bag going to fall? Yeah. I have something very cute. My pouch is this. It says RPD. That's Ragini Prajwal Devraj. Okay, and this has all the money. Yeshtide adella ide anta ಏನು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ so the second thing in my bag is my makeup kit. They're just some basics that I have. Idರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು by chance ಏನಾದರೂ event ಇದ್ರೆ, if I have to freshen up after a workout and I have to go out, these are just the 5 things that I use. One is a moisturizer. I follow that. I start off with the serum. It's a niacinamide serum. Continue with the moisturizer. Adar jote I continue with this oil-free primer and end with my favorite foundation, okay, which is Estee Lauder, and this is a must-have. Guys, lip balm is so important. Nano ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಎಷ್ಟು I tried. Imagine I have something like this every day, almost about 3 jars of this. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು my lips are always somewhere cracking. I feel it's because ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು sweat ಮಾಡ್ತೀನೋ. I don't know for what that reason is, but that's why the lip balm is really important to me. And a must-have. See, there's always, ಈ ನಡುವೆ ನಾನು Instagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, and a lot of social media channels are like, sunscreen ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಹಾಕೋಬಾರ್ದಾ ಅಂತ. At home, I try to avoid it. I don't always put it on. But the minute I step out, even if it's to the balcony, even if it's going out, I make sure I have a sunscreen on with me, which is a must-have. So this was my makeup kit. This is something which is a must-have. The people who have straight hair will understand this. You got a lot of flat hair here when it's straight. It gets boring, right? So a roller brush like that always helps. Along with that, this is a must-have for me again. A P safe. ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೌ. ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಹೆಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ not have people recognize you. So this is something I always have. One thing that is a must-have for me when I step out of the house is a book. Now I'm reading something called Lighter. I connect with books only very recently, especially post-COVID. Nange artha agide that with social media coming and taking over our lives, prati sala ನಾವು ಫೋನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ I see that we are traveling and we're always on the phone trying to post, trying to make sure that we are telling people about our lives, but there's some part of it that should not be told to people, and there's some parts of it that you need me time, and this is my kind of me time that I make sure, especially car journeys ಮಾಡುವಾಗ I have a book along with me. This is a very funny thing. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I usually don't travel with my lens on or my spectacles. So ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ people think that I'm showing them attitude or I'm not being, but the truth is I cannot see. I have at least 2.5 Irandan power, so I carry this along only when I want to see people, and if I want to avoid certain people, I say I don't have my lens. Okay, in case you want to keep this is angel cards. I don't know how many of you believe in this, but life there are so many decisions that you want to take on your own that sometimes you're confused about, but there is one energy or a universal, I would say a divine energy, that is always guiding you. And this is something that helps me. In fact, ನನ್ನ picture release ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ, I even have a photo of this that I will share with you all. When you're nervous, when you're thinking about things, just talk to the universe. ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ talking to people around you may cause even more tension. So this is all I do. Take this around. It can be anywhere and just place it out. Now all you have to do is, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ I came into a table like this and I was so tense. ನನ್ನ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ and I didn't know what to do. And so many times this happens even when Prajwal is not there with me at home, and maybe in fact recently he was shooting for Rakshasa and he was away for 3 months, and there were so many important things happening at home. But this practice that I have gives me what do I say? It gives me a kind of a relief from inside. I want nimdi sigate nange, saying that okay, the universe is there with me. So all I do is close my eyes and think of a question that I have to ask, and whatever I'm thinking about, I pick out a card, and this is where, like today, I'm not going to tell you what I was thinking about, but this is what the universe is telling me. So the universe is always giving you signs. ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನೌ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಗೇವ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ. Trust your inner knowledge and act upon it without delay. So it gives you that confidence of, okay, if this is what I was thinking about it, maybe, Kanika and I used to do this during exams. ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಟ್ಟನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಗೋ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಬ್ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ cards. You guys must actually see this thing. The first thing came saying victory. You will get what you deserve. And that made me feel so much better about myself. So this is something that I always carry, and it also has a book to give you an explanation of how the universe will guide you. I know sometimes it could just be a little too deep, but try this, guys. It really helps. So I think that's about it. If there's anything more. There's one thing that I always want to carry, and again I've forgotten. It's my charger. This is the one, really bad habit that I have. I never carry my own charger, and I always steal someone else's charger, including Kanika, including Prajwal, including my father-in-law sometimes. And again I've forgotten that in this time. I have a perfume along with me, which is almost done. Before getting out of events, I have that. And this is one thing that I always carry, a daily probiotic. I don't know how many of you have a habit of having probiotics. Probiotics is very good for your gut, so I do something on a daily basis. Again, these are not sponsored, but this is something that I have on a daily basis, especially in the morning on an empty stomach, which helps me keep my entire day light, and I know I'm confident for the day. And yes, that's about it, guys. Yes, and I'm also very conscious about the way I hold bags. So this is a bag from Zook. They are vegan bags, making sure that there is no animal cruelty. It's cruelty free. And just a few conscious decisions like this that helps me. That helps my conscience also stay clear. And this, I can't take this along with my bag. I can't take this in my bag, but I always can take this along with it, making sure that I always hydrate myself. This is something very interesting, guys. ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ, and they gave me this as a memory. You must check this out, that I always carry. Look at this card. It has 2 cards mixed in one. So we were with this magician who made this happen for us. He made me sign. ನಾನು 1 card ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇವ್ರು 1 card ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and he did ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು he joined it together. So this just always somewhere it reminds me that PD and I are there together somewhere, and I always keep this in my wallet. It's very special. Sometimes when I'm missing him, this is what I say. Right? So this was my What's in My Bag series. Little messy, some essentials, as I say, and that's about it. If you want to know more, stay tuned for the next episode where I'll give you more details on what the products were. And so if you have liked this episode, like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments below on what you would like to see.